If you're a cleaning business owner doing less than $500,000 per year in sales, this is for you. Most cleaners stay stuck at doing $300,000 per year or less because they have no strategy. They always rely on random ads, word of mouth marketing with no plan, just working harder and harder, hoping that one day it'll finally click. But if you really want to grow, you need a clear plan. That's why I created my new workshop called the 500K Cleaning Business Blueprint. It's a 90-minute training that shows exactly what it takes to get to $500,000. It's built for cleaning business owners, whether you're brand new in the business or whether you've been in business for 30 or 40 years. Now, for 22 years, I ran one of the highest priced, most profitable cleaning businesses in my city. And since then, I've helped thousands of cleaners all over the world grow their cleaning business. I have a degree in advertising. I've taught advertising intently. So here's what we're going to cover inside the workshop. What most cleaning business owners are doing wrong in their marketing, with their pricing, and in their client interaction. We're going to talk about what services scale and what services don't scale and how to grow the most profitable services that you're doing. We're going to talk about why most cleaners don't even get to the $300,000 a year mark. That's super important to know why you're doing what you're doing and why you're not doing it. We're also going to talk about advertising, of course, and the three main media that I see work the most often for cleaning companies all over the world so that you can book consistent jobs. And because I want you to walk away with a clear plan, you're also going to get these bonuses. A 90-day 500K action planner, a quick wins training video on how to book jobs right away in your cleaning business, and a sample pack of 3 ad templates that you can swipe and use in your cleaning company right away. Of course, we're also going to do a live group Q&A call with me so that you can get all of your questions answered. Now, all of this is just $47 a one-time payment, and you could easily pay for that with a fraction of just one job that you're doing. Now, I never ever offer courses this low, so I'm probably not going to keep this course up very long, but right now it's $47. Hop in, click the link right below this video. You really can't go wrong. If you need a plan and you need to get to $500,000, you can't lose. Stop guessing, start growing your cleaning business. I'll see you inside the workshop.